Hey folks, it's Speedistevie video time again. This time it's a video courtesy of the USAF Thunderbirds when Captain Chesley Sullenberger flew with the team.
I think if you didn't recognize him on the street, you'd never know what he accomplished and his impact on just everyday life. Pressure was on. I'm not gonna lie. You know, he's a academy grad, a fellow fighter pilot, and obviously, one of the more renowned pilots in his commercial field there. So I knew he was going to be watching, so it led me to step up my game a little bit.
You're going with me, right?
Oh, I'm going. Yeah.
And to see these people who were so dedicated and disciplined and approach their jobs with such a professional attitude, and to see the skill with which they do what they do, it's really rewarding and amazing. And just, it's a lot of fun to be that good at something that's difficult to do well.
Does it feel pretty good to get back in the air, sir?
It does.
You can see every bit of that Air Force Academy training, every bit of that time you spend in the military still shows. There's that rudder to keep us level.
Yeah, this looks familiar. I've done these before.
Have you?
Oh yeah.
Another amazing opportunity that I've had on the Thunderbirds to fly somebody like Sully Sullenberger, and it was just absolutely fantastic. A true honor and a career highlight for myself.
That's it for another Speedistevie video. Subscribe now.